Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In this video I share with you how I make this easy delicious Ghanaian Angwawo recipe with some vegetable. This recipe tasted so good, so let's start it. In a pot I'll go in with some margarine. You can add oil. I then went in with some onion, so I'll fry this onion for some few minutes before I'll go in with the other ingredient. So the next ingredient, I went in with some tolo beef and I also added some pepper. I'm going to stir this for some few minutes. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. You are welcome to my channel where I share easy recipes. If you are interested, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Now I went in with my washed rice, so I'm going to give this a stir. We are going to toast this rice for some few minutes before then going in with some pinch of salt and also go in with some water. Okay, now so it's time to add the water, and I also add just a pinch of salt because our tolo beef contained some salt already, so the one I added was just perfect for this. So I'll just stir this and then cover it, let it cook on a low medium heat. So after some time, checking on the rice, guys, it is doing so well. And the rice I used was basmati. You can use any type of rice for this recipe. Guys, the aroma from this rice smells so amazing and you will love it. So I went ahead to cover this with a foil. And this rice is also one of the easiest recipe you can prepare within a short time. So after some time checking on the rice, I then went in with some carrots and also went in with some green bell pepper. You can add any vegetables of your choice, and this is also optional. You can prepare this without any vegetable. Thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, using your precious time to do that. Thank you for liking, for sharing, and also for commenting under my post. I'm truly grateful, and I won't have been here without you guys. To my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. You guys are so wonderful. Guys, at this point, our Angwawo is beautifully cooked and the outcome is so lovely. If you have watched me up to this point, it means you like what you are seeing. Please give this video a thumbs up and also share. Moving forward, guys, so we are going to pair our rice with some pepper sauce. Into my earthenware, I went in with some pepper. I added some onion and also salt. So I'm going to grind this until it is smooth. If you have blender, you can equally do this in the blender. It will also come out so nice. You can watch me on Facebook and watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. Subscribing to the channel is free. You don't have to pay any amount before watching me. So after grinding, I added some tomatoes and I also went ahead to grind everything all together. Now we are done with our pepper sauce. I'll go ahead and in my pan I will fry some eggs to pair with my rice. Alright fam, so our egg is also nicely fried. All that is left for us to do is to go ahead and serve our rice in our earthenware bowl. Alright my lovely family, our vegetable Angwawo is all done and ready to be enjoyed. Just look at the lovely outcome of this recipe, and it came out so nice, delicious, and you would love it. If you find this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and also share this video to reach more people. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till I come your way again, see you in my next upload, and peace be with you all. Thank you.